Okay, practice problem 19.6 from page 872. We have a synthesis or redox reaction there. What we want to do is we want to calculate the standard Gibbs free energy for the reaction. Okay, standard conditions 25 Celsius or 298 Kelvin. It would be 1 atmosphere. If it was a gas, so to say, 1 atmosphere standard pressure. And if it was an aqueous solution, it would be 1 molar. Okay? All right, so we need delta G values. You don't need to memorize them. You just need to go to the back of your book, those Appendix 2B, way back there, pages A5 through A10. Okay, we're going to gather those data values for each of the substances. Okay? Make sure you use the delta G column. Those tables also have enthalpy and entropy values. Okay, so we've got them there for you: 87.6, 0, and 51.3. Okay, notice that oxygen is a 0 value. It's a natural element in its natural standard state. So there is an Gibbs free energy. Mother Nature already made it for you, so you don't have to worry about it. All right, so the reaction Gibbs free energy, the standard, is equal to the sum of the product's Gibbs energy and subtract the sum of the reactant's Gibbs free energy. Okay, we need that reaction balanced because we're going to get those values, and in this case they're all 1 and 1/2, but 1/2 times 0 is still 0. So we take all the product's values, add them up. We take the reactant values, add them up, and subtract the two. Products minus reactants. Okay, we get a negative 36.3 kilojoules. Okay, it's a negative value. If your delta G of your reaction comes out to be negative, then that means it's spontaneous. Okay, that means it's spontaneous. The reaction's going to happen without any outside force. Okay, you're not going to have to put in energy, so to say, to keep it driving forward. Okay, it still has an activation energy, but it doesn't need a sustainable energy source to keep that reaction, so to say, driving forward. Okay, spontaneous does not tell you how fast. It doesn't mean quick. It doesn't mean fast. If you want to know how fast this reaction, the reaction rate happens, you're going to have to go study the kinetics of it. Okay, spontaneous just means it's going to happen without some sort of outside force or energy input continuously being there. Okay, it's like a ball rolling down a hill. It's just going to roll down the hill whether you push it or not. It's just going to roll down the hill because gravity's naturally going to do that.